Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you the 5 best kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's start. Introducing the Tree-Len broom and dustpan set, perfect for home, kitchen, office, or lobby use. With a 52 inches long handle, this set allows for comfortable, upright cleaning without bending over. The stand-up design ensures easy storage and quick access. Efficiently capturing dirt and debris, this durable combo makes your floors spotless in no time, grades your cleaning routine with convenience and efficiency. Enjoy a tidy environment with this must-have cleaning tool. Made from BPA-free silicone and plastic, it's safe for the dishwasher and easy to clean. Keep your microwave mess-free and your food fresh with this convenient, collapsible cover. Ideal for any kitchen. Introducing the Tovolo vented collapsible microwave cover in charcoal. This versatile kitchen gadget acts as both a splatter guard and a colander, perfect for food and meal prep. Introducing the Owen clip-on strainer, a versatile silicone kitchen colander designed for all pots and pans. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, it's both durable and heat-resistant, ensuring safe and efficient use. The compact design saves space and eliminates the need for bulky colanders, while the strong grip ensures no slipping or mess. This innovative pasta strainer easily clips onto the edge of your cookware, making it perfect for straining meat, vegetables, fruits, and more. Ideal for any kitchen, the Owen clip-on strainer simplifies your cooking and cleaning process, making meal prep a breeze. Upgrade your kitchen with this essential and practical tool. Introducing the Zule Kitchen Milk Frother Wand and Drink Mixer, a versatile and durable tool designed for coffee lovers and home chefs alike. Featuring the proprietary Z-Motor Max, this handheld frother delivers powerful performance to create creamy, frothy milk in seconds. It's perfect for making lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha drinks. Not just for coffee, this electric whisk also serves as a mini blender and mixer, ideal for whipping up everything from protein shakes to scrambled eggs. The sleek black design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Easy to use and clean, the Zule Kitchen Milk Frother Wand is an essential addition to your culinary toolkit. Elevate your beverage and food preparation with this reliable and efficient frother. Introducing the Dash Mini Donut Maker, your go-to appliance for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, desserts, and more. With its non-stick surface and compact design, this machine effortlessly crafts 7 delicious donuts at a time, ensuring every tray. Elevate your kitchen creations with ease and indulge in homemade goodness that delights the whole family. Experience the joy of baking with the Dash Mini Donut Maker, available in aqua for a pop of color in your kitchen. Treat is perfectly baked and ready to enjoy. Whether you're craving classic glazed delights or experimenting with fun toppings, the Dash Mini Donut Maker delivers endless culinary possibilities.